Hello, and today we'll make such an interesting illustration. Get acquainted with 3D in Illustrator. Open the Adobe Illustrator program. We need to create a new project. In the upper left corner, click Create New. Next, we need to name the project and we set the format. I choose the size of the post. I choose the size in pixels and the orientation is vertical. One artboard, the RGB color model, and also the extension is 72 pixels per inch. Next, click Create. This is our work area. The first thing I want to do is pick the colors. To do this, you can take an ellipse tool, the letter L on the keyboard, and draw a circle while holding Shift. You can do squares or circles, whatever suits you. Now duplicate, hold an Alt, and in order to repeat the action, press Ctrl D. The first circle will be dark red. The color can be chosen both from above and from below. I choose red. Next, I take a beige shade. I need to move on to yellow. The next one is a dark gray shade, not black. And choose the background color. For me, it will be saturated red. For red, you can remove the stroke. To do this, click on the square and select None. It looks like a crossed out square. Now you can remove the stroke and set a color, such as orange, for the square. Select the rectangle tool, hold down Shift and draw a small square. Select the square with the black arrow, click Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. And you will see the changes immediately. If they are not visible, then you need to click on the panel on Preview. In Position, choose Isometric Left. Next, Extrude Depth, set to 1000. Next, duplicate, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. Now we find Appearance, Windows Appearance, or Shift plus F6. These are all the effects we apply to this object. Find 3D, Extrude, and Bevel. This window opens again. Now we only change isometric left to isometric right. Duplicate again. Without leaving the panel, select 3D Extrude Bevel and change isometric right to isometric top. We have three objects. What do we need to do with them? We need to bring them into curves. Select the first square, Object, Expand Appearance. Again, select the next one, Object, Expand Appearance. Next, select the white arrow and now select the side dark edges. Take the eyedropper and click on the black color. The same with other faces. Now select the top face, it will be red. The same with the other faces. And go to the light edge, do the same with eyedropper. Done. Now we increased and notice a bad connection of lines. How can this be fixed? Select all three objects, Window, Stroke or Ctrl F10. A window appears and where corner choose round join. Now it looks much prettier. Select all three objects, reduce them a little. Now we form a figure. You can arrange the elements at your discretion. An important element, you need to arrange all the elements and duplicate them. Take the backmost and vertical beams, select them, arrange, send to back. We put the third beam, duplicate and put it down. Next, duplicate the vertical beam, arrange, bring to front. Let's put it right here, and the same with the last beam, duplicate, arrange, bring to front. She will be in the front. For now, let's distribute the object at the back. I'm going to raise this beam a little, adjust this one, put the back one a little higher, move this part a little bit and put the beam on top of it. I look for triangle to form here. Now we need to bring some beams to the front. I select this rectangle, hold down Alt, duplicate it and arrange, bring to front. It's important to put it in the same place. Next, go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. You can remove the stroke for now to see where to put the rectangle. It should clearly cut the shape. Done. Now select the rectangle, select the object, go to Window, Pathfinder, Divide. Select the white arrow and delete all unnecessary objects. This part has come to the fore. We do the same with the beam. Alt, arrange, bring to front, set it straight. Next, go to the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, remove the stroke. Select the beam, select the rectangle tool, again Pathfinder, divide. With the white arrow, delete everything unnecessary, thus we put everything in the foreground. Now select all the shapes and ground Ctrl G. It can be slightly enlarged. Fill the background with color. I use the rectangle tool. Select Arrange, Send to Back. Select the eyedropper and select a rich red hue. You can also add small elements such as an ellipse, color white and black stroke, set to 2 pixels. Also select the text tool sign, enlarge it a little, choose a font. Now we can save it. File, Save. First, save the project. Next, File, Export, Export as, choose where to save, select Use Artboards, select the PNG or JPEG format, click Export. Here we have RGB resolution 72 ppi. After that, click OK. That's all. Make a cool illustration.